This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. Before we get started, if anybody wants a copy of the advanced reader copy of the book we authored with Graceland Keller, The Entrepreneur's Edge, How to Build, Manage, and Grow a Business, feel free to text Scott Becker at 773-766-5322, and we'll get you a free advanced copy. The book goes on sale this fall. Here are 6 stories we're following today. First, Blackstone, the largest private equity fund in the United States with $1 trillion plus under assets under management, is back at it, looking to buy a shopping store chain, shopping center chain for $2 billion. Blackstone put more capital to work in the last quarter of this year than it's done in a few years, and that's a good sign for those of us that watch the private equity industry closely. Second, Starbucks missed its revenue estimates. Its stock is still doing fine. I think Starbucks has become a better place to be over the last couple of years after a few years where it was really challenging to be at. Our local Starbucks has a fantastic team of employees. I just can't say enough about the people that work there, whether it's Montague, Jess, or others. Third, Humana's taking it on the chin today. They're down about 10% today. They are not doing well today. Fourth, CDW, a Chicago powerhouse firm that never really got to the spot of Dell, but has done really well, is also taking it on the chin today. Fifth, a quick note about Tomlinson, Dr. Tomlinson, the CEO of Vituity and also the leader of the Vituity Foundation. What an amazing job he's done with Magic Johnson in building the Vituity Foundation. Literally just fantastic. The next story we're following, the Becker Private Equity Business Podcast, up to 5 million downloads. The Becker's Healthcare Podcast, also knocking it out of the park, up to 15 million downloads. Thank you to everybody who listens. And I guess lastly, great news in the stock market today and hopes of interest rates cuts. That's fantastic. The market's up more than 1.5% at this point. Let's hope that holds. Thank you again to Cosette Benjamin, to Chanel Bunger, and the magnificent team that helps us on the Becker Private Equity Business Podcast. Cannot be more thrilled with the help and the talent of Chanel, Cosette, and others. Thank you for listening to the Becker Private Equity Business Podcast. Again, free copy of the book, 773-766-5322. We'll send you an e-copy of the book. It's coming out in print in September, and hopefully it'll be a bestseller. No, not really. I hope it just does fine, but we enjoyed writing it tremendously, and hopefully it's useful to some people. 773-766-5322. We'll send you an advanced reader copy. Thank you.